Hello, my name is Victoria Palacin, and I want to start off with a couple of things. First of all, thanks to the organizers of Shaking Up Tech. I love that there is a space like this that is trying to make a difference in the world. And secondly, to LUT for supporting my young academic career. I am honored to be part of this terrific group of speakers that are trying to change the world every single day. And I'd like to start off by acknowledging the remarkable example your generation has set. You have showed us that nobody is too small or too young to stand up for change. Your generation will have to face challenges that humanity has never seen before. And for that, you will have to invent a future, a different future. And you will have to think differently. But for that, I would like to ask you, who do you think that invents the future? The future is invented by everybody, by people like you, by people like me, along engineers, along scientists, along tech billionaires. And everyone has a similar opportunity to do change. And I know that many of you right now are wondering, what will I be in the future? What will I do with my life? And I want to encourage you to shift that thinking from the individual I to the common us. What can you do that will benefit society, that will help the world, that will help the future? Because there is a lot of power in doing that shift. I'm an engineer. I'm a computer scientist, as a matter of fact. I design technology that we use in our everyday life. I know how to write code, I know how to design algorithms, I know how to design interfaces. And I try to make a difference in the world by being a better engineer, a different engineer, a more critical engineer, an engineer who thinks about the effects of technology in society. What happens if a solution gets used by millions of people, and what happens if that solution has embedded the assumptions of someone who doesn't have lived experiences of certain problems. I have been in small institutions back in my hometown in Peru, and also in world-class institutes like MIT. And everywhere I have observed that this field is not only dominated by male, but it's also dominated by one way of thinking that technology can solve everything, thinking that technology is the magic key to solve our greatest challenges. However, technologies keep being replaced every single year. They keep changing, and they are often not being taught as products that are going to be disposed, so they are only being designed for use. And that is something that is a shortcoming of our current thinking of engineering, and particularly technology design. We need, for future, more critical engineers. We need engineers who are not only able to work together, but are also able to think together, to stand up together for ideals of a better world, a more equitable world for everybody. And I believe that those engineers are in this audience today, and that you are going to be able to invent the future and to change our future for the better. Thank you.